Hey guys, Adam here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really tasty protein shake from a NutriBullet with just 3 ingredients. Here we go. So the 3 ingredients you're going to need: frozen strawberries, almond milk, chocolate protein, and obviously you're going to need a NutriBullet or a blender or whatever you can get your hands on as far as blending this up. Just a real quick tip before we start putting all this together. If you don't have a NutriBullet, you can use a blender or whatnot, but a NutriBullet is a great tool to have. I've mixed mass gainers, protein, stuff like that in blenders before and did not like the taste, did not like the texture, did not think it was blended up very well. NutriBullet, I don't have that problem. It's great. It's the best thing that I've ever owned as far as trying to make a protein shake. It's probably one of the key tools as far as nutrition goes that I use all the time. I love it. So if you ever get a chance to get one, I would definitely pick one up. But let's get started. So first things first, take 1 scoop of chocolate protein. You're going to take about a half a cup of almond milk. I don't really measure this, I just put so much in here, but I would go with the half a cup if you're trying to get the measurements correctly. And then about a handful of frozen strawberries. Put on the lid, and we will be good to go. Alright, so as you can see, we got everything together, blend it up. What it looks like. Just like that, you got a strawberry chocolate protein shake. Literally tastes like a banana split. It is great. And takes, I would leave it in the blender for about 20 seconds. Half cup almond milk, handful of frozen strawberries, 1 scoop of protein. You can put 2 if you like, I do that sometimes. But that's it, 3 ingredients, NutriBullet, and you are golden. But I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you all have a great day. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thanks.